I have my Excel database here. I'm going to show you how to run some statistical tests in Excel. So there are some tests you can do. If you go to we'll click on the insert function, and if we're looking for, let's say, a t-test, so you can type in t-test and it's going to come up here. Alright, so click, and what you do is you select your first array. We're just going to do a real short and simple one here. So I have an array of systolic blood pressures. Click on array 2, and we're going to have a second set there. What it does then is it'll ask you the tails, one tail or two tail. We're going to do two tail. And then it's going to ask you the type of t-test. So number 1 is a paired sample t-test. Number 2 is a 2-sample with equal variance. And number 3 is a 2-sample with unequal variance. So in this case, we're going to do a 2-sample with equal variance. So we'd put 2 in there, and it comes right up here with a p-value. So pretty easy statistics.